The last one of the abnormal constituent of urine is blood. Okay, others you have already done. Benedict's, Rothera test, protein detection, bile salt and bile pigment. The remaining is the blood, detection of blood in urine. Okay, it is the last abnormal constituent, detection of blood in urine. Ortho-tolidin test. Ortho-tolidin test. Detection of blood in urine by ortho-tolidin test. What is the principle of this test? Principle: this test is depends on the peroxidase activity of the hemoglobin. This test is depends on the peroxidase activity of the hemoglobin. Okay. What is the principle? This test is depends on the peroxidase activity of the hemoglobin. The nascent oxygen, nascent oxygen liberated from hydrogen peroxide by this action is accepted by the ortho-tolidin to give a greenish compound, in a slightly acidic medium. So, what is the principle? This test is depends on the peroxidase activity of the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contain peroxidase enzyme which has peroxidase activity, and this peroxidase activity forms nascent oxygen. Whenever H2O2 or hydrogen peroxide is given in the solution, the peroxidase activity of the hemoglobin produce nascent oxygen and water, and this nascent oxygen with ortho-tolidin reagent form a greenish compound, and it is the basis of this test. Okay. This peroxidase activity acts on this hydrogen peroxide, produce nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen with ortho-tolidin give a greenish compound. Okay. In acidic medium. Now next, the procedure: experiment, observation Inference. Procedure. Experiment, observation and inference. In the experiment column, take 1 ml of orthotolidine solution in a test tube. Second point, add 1 ml of freshly prepared acid peroxide. Within bracket, write mixture of acetic acid and hydrogen peroxide. Acid peroxide means glacial acetic acid and hydrogen peroxide mixture. Okay. Why this acid is taken? To make the medium acidic. Acid peroxide means mixture of acetic acid and hydrogen peroxide. It is given 1 ml. So in a test tube, take 1 ml of orthotolidine solution, then add 1 ml of freshly prepared acid peroxide, acetic acid with hydrogen peroxide solution. Third point, mixed well. Then fourth point, add urine drop by drop. In the test tube. So, lastly, we add with dropper urine drop by drop. Observation, transparent greenish color develops. Transparent greenish color develop. Inference, blood is present. Okay. So, take a test tube, then add 1 ml of orthotolidine solution, then add 1 ml freshly prepared acid peroxide solution, which is glacial acetic acid and hydrogen peroxide mixture, and then mix well. Okay. Then add drop by drop urine solution. If urine contain blood, then transparent greenish color will develop. That means inference is blood is present. Okay. This acid peroxide solution means glacial acetic acid and hydrogen peroxide mixture. Once from it can be used for 3 months. After that, we need again freshly prepared. Previously, the detection of blood in urine done by benzidine test, but now as the benzidine is carcinogenic, so this test is no longer in use. Okay. Next test is benzidine test. The principle is also same. as the orthotoluidine test. It is also based on the peroxidase activity of the principle is same, except this in case of orthotoluidine we use orthotoluidine, in case of benzidine test we use benzidine. Principle again, this test is depends on the peroxidase activity. This test is depends on the peroxidase activity of hemoglobin, nascent oxygen liberated from H2O2 hydrogen peroxide by peroxidase activity is accepted by benzidine in acidic medium and produce greenish color Okay, principle is same based on the peroxidase activity of hemoglobin and the nascent oxygen liberated from H2O2 by the action of peroxidase enzyme, which produce this nascent oxygen, reacts with benzidine in acidic medium and produce greenish color. Okay. Procedure. Procedure of benzidine test, again experiment, observation, inference. Number 1, take 3 ml of urine. Take 3 ml of urine in a test tube. Add 2 drops of benzidine solution in glacial acetic acid and add 5 drops of H2O2 to it and mix well. Okay, so first take 3 ml of urine, add 2 drops of benzidine solution, then add glacial acetic acid and 5 drops of H2O2 and mixed well. Greenish color will form. Which on standing turn to brown. Color. Blood is present. It is just for your knowledge. This test is not done in the practical. We follow the orthotoluidine test. It is for the knowledge. If examiner says previously what test was done, it is the benzidine test. We should cautious that we should not touch the benzidine solution in by fingers or hands. Okay. So there is no contamination. Caution, as it is carcinogenic, so be cautious. Caution, benzidine is carcinogenic. Benzidine is carcinogenic, means form cancer. Carcinogenic. So be careful. So be careful. And should not inhale and not touch. Should not inhale or touch. Okay. So wear gloves and should not inhale during the test. And is now replaced by orthotolerant test. Another test is there, it is the bedside test, Hemasticks paper test. Hemasticks paper test. It is the bedside test. There is strip, dip into the urine. If the color change, that means blood is present. Okay. Easiest test, bedside test. Hemasticks paper test. Hem means blood. Hemasticks paper test. Okay. Now the clinical interpretation. Clinical interpretation. Next point. After the procedure, there is clinical interpretation. What is hematuria? Blood in urine. Blood in urine. It may be gross hematuria or microscopic hematuria. Gross hematuria means by naked eye you can see it. Okay? Gross hematuria. Microscopic, by naked eye can't see. It needs some test. Means urine is transparent, but after microscopic test or the chemical test, benzidine or orthotolerant, we can found that there is hematuria. Hematuria is gross hematuria. Gross hematuria found in naked eye. Found in naked eye. Microscopic hematuria, not visible in naked eye. What are the causes of hematuria? Causes of hematuria. Bleeding in urinary tract. What are the causes? If there is any trauma or bleeding in the urinary tract due to trauma, it may be due to stone formation, renal calculi or urinary bladder calculi, a stone in the kidney. Causes of hematuria, bleeding in the urinary tract. In urinary tract. Urinary tract. Due to trauma, infection, enlarged prostate, bladder cancer, bladder cancer. Acute glomerulonephritis, acute glomerulonephritis. Renal calculi or stone. Okay, these are the causes of hematuria, bleeding in the urinary tract. Some drugs like salicylates, sulfonamides, barbiturates, may lead to hematuria, So these are the causes. Again, physiological causes. Physiologically, during strenuous exercise, or urine contaminated with menstrual blood, in female. Okay, these are the causes of hematuria. Bleeding in the urinary tract, it may be due to trauma, due to stone formation, due to infection, due to enlarged prostate or bladder carcinoma or bladder cancer, acute glomerulonephritis, or drugs like salicylate, sulfonamide, barbiturates, or physiologically during strenuous exercise, or contaminated with menstrual blood in female. Okay, it is the last one. So if you are asked what are the causes of hematuria, don't tell this one first. Okay, firstly tell the trauma, bladder CA, prostate CA, enlarged prostate, stones. These are the common causes. Next drugs, next physiological cause. Okay. Now this is the hematuria. What is hemoglobinuria? Hemoglobin is excreted in urine. Okay. Free hemoglobin, when it comes, now hemoglobinuria, excretion of free hemoglobin in urine. Hemoglobinuria. Means excretion of free hemoglobin, followed by hemolysis is known as hemoglobinuria. Excretion of free hemoglobin followed by hemolysis, known as hemoglobinuria, occurs in severe burn, hemolytic jaundice, incompatible blood transfusion, means if patient's blood group is A positive and you give transfusion B positive. Okay, incompatible blood transfusion or mismatched blood transfusion. Incompatible blood transfusion. It is an offense. It is an offense. So before blood transfusion, you should very much careful that blood is properly matched. Okay, otherwise registration will be cancelled. But incompatible blood transfusion, UTI, urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection. These are the causes of hemoglobinuria. Means free hemoglobin is released in urine. Another term, red dark urine. Also found in myoglobinuria. Myoglobinuria means myoglobin is released in urine. Alkaptonuria. Porphyria. These are hemoglobinopathies. Okay, and drugs like rifampicin, drug of TB, rifampicin, levodopa. Be confused with hematuria because these are also produce red dark color urine. Patient treating with rifampicin in case of TB patients, you should tell him that urine will be red color. It is due to medicine. Whenever the medicine will be stopped, the urine will be normal. So it is due, not hematuria. Okay. Levodopa drug, myoglobinuria, alkaptonuria, porphyria, these all are produced red dark color urine. It is not hematuria. Okay. This is the detection of blood in urine. You should write in your copy up to this. Okay. Be confused with hematuria means dark red color urine. Patient may confuse that this is due to hematuria, but it is not due to hematuria. It is the effect of these medicines or this kind of hemoglobinopathy. So in a test tube, take 1 ml of orthotolidine solution, then 1 ml of acid peroxide solution, which means glacial acetic acid and hydrogen peroxide mixture. Then mixed it well, then add drop by drop urine. If urine present any blood, then there will be color change. Transparent greenish color will form and it means blood is present. Okay.